Let's talk VINs. That's VIN for Vehicle Identification Number. It is a long string of digits and letters. It is unique to your vehicle, and it tells your vehicle's life story. Information in a VIN includes what country your vehicle was built in, who the manufacturer was, what model it is, what kind of drivetrain it's got, safety equipment, and exactly when it was built in what plant. Automakers, insurance companies, car dealers, and people who are shopping for vehicles use VINs to track everything from whether there are recalls that need to be completed to what is the repair history. Was this vehicle in an accident? It's a fount of useful information. The U.S. government standardized the format for VINs in 1981. Before that, every automaker had its own system, which makes older VINs even more complicated. Specialists like Haggerty and VinWiki can tell you the details of those older VINs.